how to end a task on your Mac machine. Whether you have iMac, Macbook, or whichever Mac machine, the process of ending a task or a process is same. But let's say I have this calculator running here, and for some reason that this close button is not working, or the process has gone into background and not visible here, and I'm not able to close it. Then how do I kill the process which is running that specific thing, or how to close some specific task? So for that, I need to go into activity monitor. I have added the activity monitor in my dock here, but let's say if you have not done so, then you can press command and space, and in this you can search for activity monitor, and you can start the activity monitor like this. When activity monitor is started, you can see here CPU, memory, energy, disk space, and everything. You search the process by process name, and I can now go to calculator and now kill this process or end the task. So to ending the task, this is the button to do so. Okay, so if you can see here, when I move my mouse on top of it, it says stop. So when I click this, I get two options. One is quit and second is force quit. So first, you always try the quit option. Quit option is where the system will try to politely ask the process to end. But if that does not happen, then you can use the force quit option. So for example, in my case, quit will work and my calculator is gone. Same way, let's say if I see which is the process using most of my CPU, and I see that, okay, screen capture is what I'm recording right now, but let's say VT encoder this. Okay, let's say this process is using too much CPU and I want to kill it. But for some reason, let's say this quit is not working. Then what you need to do is you need to clear on force quit. So when you click on it, this will strongly quit that process. But I think this is related to screen capture, so I will not quit this. Let's say I go to this Brave browser and I say force quit, and this is gone. So if quit doesn't work, try force quit on, but please understand which process you are killing, because let's say if I choose activity monitor, I go and I say force quit and my activity monitor is gone. So force quit is a 100% sure shot way of quitting, but it might leave some traces here and there. So be careful, try to stop first. If stop doesn't work, then choose the force quit. That's it, guys. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe for more such videos.